As a biotechnologist, you have to work with plasmid. किसी भी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के एक्सपेरिमेंट में प्लाज्मिड की बहुत अहमियत है. And the key to success of any experiment in biotechnology lab depends upon the isolation of the plasmid, successful intact isolation. In the lab, the method which is used is mini prep, which is quite frequently used, and it can give you 1 microgram per milliliter DNA from the bacterial culture. This mini prep method is less labor intensive method as compared to maxi prep, in which we need large amounts to get more concentrated DNA. Mini prep method is used for a quick screening of the transformants with subsequent restriction digestion. This quick screening helps us to proceed further with the experiment or to decide what to do with the experiment to get the success. In different laboratories, different modified methods or protocols are used in mini prep, but different methods, they are based on either alkaline lysis method or rapid boiling procedure. These are two major and mainly used methods in different labs. Day by day, the biotechnology or the molecular biology research, the methods are evolving. The methods are getting amended to make it quick and to get success in the experiment. We as a researcher can decide which method we should use, keeping in view the microorganism, keeping in view the plasmid which we are working or which we want to isolate. A successful mini prep leads to rapid DNA isolation and subsequent verification of the plasmid. If your required plasmid has been uptaken by the cell and the bacterial cell has been successfully transformed, then this is the time to proceed further for your experiment.